si Mami, di ba? Na kagaya ng sinasabi ng ibang tao. So nakikita mo, hindi ba sobrang higpit?
Baka she has her own reasons, right? I can't speak for her po, hindi ko masabi dahil for her, diba? But I'm sure every mother has their own reasons why they're protective. My mom's very protective over me also. I'm sure meron naman siyang sarili niyang reasons.
So ibig sabihin, every time na dumadalaw ka naman sa bahay, maganda naman yung pakikiharap.
Ha?
Maganda naman pakikiharap sa'yo. I mean, naharap ka naman.
So mabait naman sila.
Okay naman.
Mateo,
Yung parents mo, okay naman. Lahat eh, hindi lang yun eh. I don't know, I don't know, basta in the right time, we'll see. I mean, I don't want to hide anything. I want to be honest naman with you guys. That's why I'm not saying anything. Basta one day, one time, it's gonna
when
be
do
the
you
right
think
time.
is the right time?
Like I said, sana ngayon nga eh, kung pwede ko sabihin. Diba? But,
So hindi pa this year?
I don't know, we'll see. Wala ka talaga, hindi ko alam.
Kanino kaya manggagaling yung right time? Paano namin malalaman kung right time na?
I-text mo ba kami? Ano ba?
Hindi ko alam,
Pero Mateo, pareho kayong single. Wala kayong tinatapakang ibang party. So, bakit kaya hindi nyo maamin?
Ba't di pa dapat aminin? Kung
Marami na kayong fans, marami kayong...
I guess we want to protect whatever Sarah and I have, and I want to respect her side and also my side. Basta may mga reasons kami na I can't say, you know, but basta one day, everything will be okay.
Pero okay, go.
Mateo, nasabi kasi kanina ni Robby na binibigyan ka ng numbers niya. Was it a joke lang? Kasi baka mamaya ma-misinterpret ng fans.
No, Robby
Alam mo
always
yun?
jokes around with me. Mabait naman yun si Robby. Wala namang babae na pumadala ng number sa kanya eh. Hindi, wala.
Pero ikaw, may mga iba ka pa bang ka-text or exclusive na si Sarah?
Wala. You know, wala akong ibang tinetext na babae dahil marami tayong work na kino-concentrate, di ba? Biggest Loser, Galema, at ayun, so...
So si Sarah lang ang tinetext mo?
Minsan.
At minsan din nag-Skype kayo?
Skype? Hindi naman.
So paano kayo nag-uusap? Minsan lang kayo magkita?
Ha?
Paano kayo nag-uusap? Minsan lang kayo nakikita?
Basta, secret lang.
Pero, Mateo, gaano ba kay-special si Sarah for you?
Sinabi ko sa pocket press ko na, she's very special to me. She's special.
Gaano ka-special? Sabihin siya ba yung babaeng nagpapasaya sa buhay mo ngayon? Isa sa inspirasyon, kung bakit ka natrabaho ng maayos?
Oo, sabihin natin na kumbaga isa siyang inspirasyon sa akin. Yun.
Mateo, anong feeling mo?
Hindi ka ba natatakot kasi baka magalit yung friend ni Sarah sa'yo kasi baka manipag na hindi ko magpag-deny, ganyan. Sila hindi makapag-hintay.
Wala naman, it's up to us, diba? It's us, diba? So we'll decide naman. And then I don't think we're stepping on anybody, diba? As long as we respect everybody, that's what I believe in. You respect people and sana they'll respect you back. So yun, respect's very important for me.
Mateo, anong feeling mo? Kasi dati yung bagong pasok mo sa showbiz, di ba si Sarah yung crush mo, yung sinasabi mo ganun. Ngayon,
Nagkaroon ng katuparan.
nagkaroon ng katotohanan, dream come true din ba? Yeah.
Siyempre, in life, di ba? If you work hard at something that you really want, in the end, when you get it, it's very nice. So yun.
So you worked hard for Sarah?
Basta yun, Biggest Loser, we work hard, di ba? Di ba? Hindi, siyempre, people who wait and work hard for something, good things happen, di ba? At everything in life happens for a reason, di ba?
Ang family mo ba may say sa babaeng mamahalan?
My family, siyempre, it's very, very important to have the family approve of the person you love, di ba? Because if you love somebody, you don't just love that person, you love the whole family, everybody,
Right.
mom, dad, brother, sister, everybody. So siyempre, whoever I'll be with, I want my parents to love also.
Boto naman yung parents mo sa kay Sarah. Boto naman. So, ano naman yung impression nila kay Sarah?
Oh, MJ!
Anong reactions nila pag napag-uusapan si Sarah?
Ano ang last two question?
Everybody knows naman that Sarah's a wonderful person. At yun, she's very good.
Napakilala mo na ba ng personal? Napakilala mo na ba siya ng personal?
Hindi pa.
Pero pakilala mo, may plano naman pakilala.
Siyempre, in the future, we'll see.
Wait lang. Keep on saying na parang, syempre na-hurt siya sa mga dating nakaraang relasyon niya. Very open siya talagang, sobrang siya na broken hearted. Ikaw ba, can you give the assurance na hindi ka naman ganung klase ng lalaki? Na ikaw yung boyfriend na pag minahal mo talaga, totoo talaga. And you're real,
Basta ako naman bilang isang tao po, bilang isang lalaki, kapag nagmahal ako, talagang todo-todo at nandun ako palagi.
Solo, hindi daw. Mateo, last na, reaction mo lang sa nangyayari ngayon kay Bong?
it's heartbreaking. You know, it's heartbreaking. I saw the interview in the Buzz with Tito Boy, and it's heartbreaking. And I wish him the best, man. I know he's a wonderful person. I know he's a very kind-hearted person, and sana, you know, everything will be okay. I pray for him. I pray for him. He's an amazing person. I pray for both.
Would you say na parang dahil sa nangyari sa kanya, reminder na rin to sa mga taga-showbiz?
Si Kerr,
mag-ingat.
I don't know, it can happen to anybody, diba? It can really happen to anybody.
MJ,
It can happen to anybody, kumbaga. At I can't say anything, diba? It can happen to anybody. We all have to pray for Bong. He's an amazing person. He's a good guy. At I wish him the best, diba? With his family and everybody. Yeah.
Okay.